So now we're going to do activity 151A, which is that y prime equals 3y plus t with initial conditions y of 0 equals 1. So our first step is to write the differential equation in the proper form. So the proper form would be y prime minus 3y equals t. Okay, and that makes this thing right here, that's my little p of t. And this is little q of t. Okay, so that means my integrating factor is equal to e to the integral of little p of t dt. Well, that's conveniently a nice integral. That's equal to e to the negative 3t. Now, why do we not care about adding a plus c there? Because we only need a particular function whose derivative is that. And so this will serve us just fine. Adding a plus c there is just an unnecessary complication. So there's no plus c for that one. Now, my equation then is y equals 1 over that e to the negative 3t times the integral of e to the negative 3t times t times dt plus c. Okay, well, here to do this integral, this is integration by parts. So u equals t, du equals dt, dv equals e to the negative 3t. That makes v equal to, dt there, v equals negative 1/3 e to the negative 3t. So y equals, I'll change this fraction to just e to the positive 3t times uv would be negative 1/3 t times e to the negative 3t. Hope you don't mind that I changed the order up a little there. I like to have my t's before my e's. And then minus the integral of v du. So minus negative 1/3 e to the negative 3t dt. And I've got a plus c here, but I'm going to get a plus c from the integral anyway, so it's kind of lame to keep it, but it will. So this equals e to the 3t times negative 1/3 t e to the negative 3t, and then this is this negative 1/3 becomes a positive 1/9, so minus 1/9 e to the negative 3t plus c. Okay, well, multiply e to the 3t through, and I get, I'll move the c out front. So c times e to the 3t, and then the e to the 3t and negative 3t cancel out, so then minus 1/3 t minus 1/9. Now I've got to deal with my initial condition. So 1 equals y of 0, and that's equal to c times e to the 0 minus 0 times that minus 1/9. So 1 equals that, so that makes c equals is a number that when you subtract 1/9 you get 1, so c is 10/9. So that means my final answer is that y equals 10/9 e to the 3t minus 1/3 t minus 1/9. Move it up so you can see it there. And that is the answer to 151A.